Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Latrell. I go by iloveyoutrell, and here on my channel we love to talk about fashion, beauty, lifestyle with a few vlogs in between. But before we get into this video, there is a part 1 that you should have already seen where we get into the skin and all the great new products that I got from Sephora and some of the not so great products that I had to return. But today we're going to be getting into this eyeshadow look. Yes girl, I added some glitter because we are going to be using the BLISS 444 Cosmetics Eyeshadow Palette, and we're going to be talking giveaways. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're watching this video, hopefully you already watched part 1. We are going to be jumping straight into part 2 of this 2-part makeup look. I'm super excited to be sharing with you guys the BLISS 444 Cosmetics very first eyeshadow palette. And if you guys aren't aware, this is one of my best friend's makeup companies. She made this in honor of her sister Jahai McMath. If you guys haven't, please make sure to go check them out because she is doing some real quality work, okay? So I'm super excited to share this eyeshadow palette with you guys. I have actually seen this palette come to fruition. My friend has been working on this so long and it's been an idea of hers for quite some time, and to see this beautiful palette in person, like girl, get into these colors, okay? We're gonna get into these colors, but this is not the only thing that we're going to get into by BLISS today, because she actually has a really cool bundle that you can purchase, and you can also get the really nice glitter glue because it also comes with not 1 set of loose glitters but 2. So you have the chunky glitters and you get 5 of these, you guys, and you get 5 fine glitters. Y'all know I don't really use glitters, but when I got this, I was just like, obviously I'm gonna have to step my game up. So that's what we're gonna go ahead and do today. So before we get into it, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, because that's all I'm asking you for. Alrighty, so I just went ahead to like retouch up my eyeshadow base. If you watched part 1, you already know what products I'm using. This is the eyeshadow palette, you guys, and like I said, I have seen my friend working on this palette and just come up with the idea for this palette a long time ago. So to see it actually in person, I'm just in shock. Like, she did this and she made this happen. I don't know what kind of look we're gonna do because we're doing glitter, y'all. We're gonna have to make this bold, but I love you Trell version of bold, I guess we're gonna call it. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to jump into the shades. Oh my gosh, where do I start? What am I gonna do? What am I doing? Okay, I'm gonna actually change brushes. I'm gonna go into the shade Dewberry. And the really great thing about this palette, you guys, like I said, this is all in honor of Jabria's sister, her sister Jahai. I really would love for you guys to go ahead and check out the meaning behind this brand and like what it stands for and what it represents, because girl, sorry. Look at that pigment on this brush. Oh my gosh. I was lucky enough to be able to have met Jahai, so to see what her sister is doing in her honor, you guys, is amazing. And I think although you guys might not have known Jahai, you guys will also resonate with this entire collection, and it will make you guys want to continue to support this brand just because of what it stands for and the basis of where it came from. But let's go ahead and let's see what Jabria has been working on, girl, because like I said, she's been working on this for some time. And right off the bat, y'all can see that this eyeshadow palette is super pigmented. So I purposely did not use the P. Louise eye base because just because this is my friend, y'all, I'm not gonna tell y'all to buy something that doesn't really stand up to its claims. One of the things that Jabria has like always prided herself on was making an affordable brand. And just because something has a higher price point doesn't mean that it's better than any other brands that are in like your drugstores or even in your beauty supply. And so that's one of the things that Jabria wanted to ensure. Like, I even told her, I was like, girl, maybe you need to up the price of the palette. The amount of resources that she put into this, I was like, girl, up the price. But she stayed firm on being a reasonable and affordable brand. And so I commend her for that, because this color payout already is just like, yeah. I'm just working up this Dewberry color in our crease, and I'm slightly winging it as well because obviously we're gonna be dramatic. Like, yeah, got to, we have to. And then I'm taking it all the way into that inner corner as well because we gonna have to cut the crease. I just feel like, why not, right? What? Girl, we got glitter going on. I'm gonna go into the shade Babe. And I'm gonna use this to blend out and soften the edges of Dewberry. Some people actually like soften the edges first, or like create that color first and then work into like their crease. I don't know what I be doing, y'all. I just do whatever just feels right. And I just feel like this feels right to go with Babe afterwards. But you know, do what works for you. But I feel like that just, you see how easy that just happened? That just worked it on out, girl. So it is, in my opinion, a little less work to do it this way, but again, whatever floats your boat. So as I mentioned, I will be giving you guys the details about my giveaway, and I feel like what better way to come back for me refreshed, but for you guys to give you guys, you know, a giveaway, and just thank you guys for being here and sticking through, you know, all the absences and just everything with me. I'm gonna go into a BFF. Being away has given me a chance to be present, but also to really think about what else I want to deliver to you guys. And I've been working on something for a long time, you guys, like a long time. So that's why with this giveaway, we're going to be launching this, but as well as giving back to you guys, because I probably wouldn't have ever thought of this stuff had you guys not shown me so much love and just grown with me. It's finally time to share with you guys the giveaway details and how you can enter. So I'm gonna be doing 3 different giveaways. So we're gonna be celebrating our 600 subscribers here on YouTube, as well as our 700 subscribers here on YouTube. But we're also going to be celebrating our 1,000 followers on Facebook, you guys. I wanted to get back to you guys. I had 3 different opportunities to get back to you. So I said, why not do them all together? So it's fairly simple to enter these giveaways. All you have to do is make sure, for one, that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel, which I hope you are if you're watching this video. But you also need to head over to Instagram and make sure that you're following me there. And last but not least, I need you to head over to my brand new website. It's my passion project. This is something I've been working on for a long time, and it's been solely me pouring into this website, creating everything. So I really hope you guys like it. But I need you guys to head over to LDotCo.com and sign up for my emailing list. It is very easy, very simple. Giveaways are going to be held solely through my email list. So you will not only get exclusive access to exclusive content that lives on my website, but you'll also be able to know when the next giveaway is gonna happen. So many perks and so much entertainment for you guys on the website. So I really hope you guys enjoy it. But those are the 3 simple steps that you guys have to do to enter this giveaway. And like I said, it's 3 giveaways. So there's an opportunity for you to win a self-care bundle, a makeup bundle, or even $70 whole dollars, girl. $70 whole dollars. You know what I could do with $70? A lot. So all you have to do, again, is make sure that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel. It's right there. Head over to Instagram and follow me at iloveyoutrell_. And last but not least, head over to LDotCo.com and just enter your email address. It is so easy and so simple, and I really hope you guys enjoy, you know, this giveaway, as well as like the stuff that I'm releasing at the same time, like my website, girl. Take a look. There's a lot of fun stuff on there for you guys to see, click around. But yeah, that's the giveaway. I hope you guys are excited. I will let you guys know when the giveaway will be closing in the next video, because you got time. You got time. I mean, you do it now so that you don't have to wait, but I will let you guys know when the giveaway is going to be closing. So let's get back into the makeup look, shall we? So I'm gonna go into the shade Angel, and I'm going to pack this color all over the lid. So I was saying that I was gonna cut the crease, but honestly, I might not need to, because we're gonna put like the actual like glitter all over this. I might not need to do that step. And y'all know me, if I don't gotta do something that's gonna low-key mess it up, I ain't gonna do it. But I am just packing this color so that way our like lid is a little bit more of this brighter off-white color, and not necessarily like, you know, what it looks like over here, just kind of a little bit of a little mess. And that's a really cool trick if you're doing a look like this. Okay, so I didn't add anything back to that brush that we laid down BFF with. I'm just going back in to kind of get a little bit of Angel, like the little remnants that got into our crease, a little bit off of there, and just bring that depth back. And it's funny because as I added that onto Dewberry, it did get a little bit like deep purpley, which I'm not mad at all. but it did get a little bit deep purpley. So I'm sure if I did this without that color underneath, it would show up as like the brown that it is. But that's why I added it to kind of deepen what we already had going on. So I like it a lot. Didn't actually go all the way to that winged end of my crease, simply because I wanted to actually take BFF and Dewberry on like closer to my lash line and really create like a winged eyeliner from the bottom, but mixing the two colors. So I think I can do that. We'll see. And I'm trying to think, do I need to do that before I add the glitter or after? But I think I should do it before, because I need to actually apply the glitter glue. So I'm going to still use this little palette that I used for my foundation, and I'm going to add just a little bit of this glitter glue here on the bottom. What I really like is that it's actually a clear consistency, and it's not like your typical like pasty white thick type of textures. I'm going to use that same brush that we used for the color Angel. I just swatched it off on my color switch, and I'm thinking, y'all, I think I need to actually go ahead and finish the actual eyeshadow. I'm new to this. I am sorry, y'all. So like I said, I wanted to create like a lower like wing type of thing going on here. So first I'm gonna actually take Dewberry, and if I had a flat angled brush that I don't think I have right now, I would use that. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just going to underneath go ahead and start creating a wing. So I'm just gonna bring it up, and I'm gonna go towards the tail end of my brows, and I'm just going to snatch that into the crease. So you really can't tell slightly. I'm still gonna go ahead and use a little bit of concealer too to kind of clean up that edge. So I'm gonna take BFF, and I'm going to just go ahead and do the same thing and create that wing. Now I am trying to work it back and forth so that way it'll blend and not be just like a pointed line within there. But essentially we're just trying to lay it on and kind of create another wing within the Dewberry wing. And again, we're gonna go out towards the tail end of our brow bone. So the brush I used to clean up my brows, it has like a little bit of product left in it. This is what I'm going to use to just kind of clean up that wing. And you see it just kind of snatched it back. Okay, so now we're going to get into that glitter glue that we have on our little palette. We're going to just place this right where we placed Angel. Like I said, we just really want to, okay, not swipe. Don't swipe. Just pack it on there. Pack it on. Do not rub it on there. Obviously, that wouldn't make sense because you're putting something wet on top of something powdery. So just go in. And try not to get this on the wing that we created. We really want that glitter to just stick in that open space there. And we are going up to the crease to meet that color there. But again, not to cover it, just to meet it. So these are the 5 for the chunky. And I feel like this pink one here, which is called pink, obviously, because it's pink, I think that will be actually really cute on top of this. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the brush that I used for the glitter glue. Yeah, and I'm gonna just pick up some, and I'm just going to push this, oh my gosh, it's working, onto, wow, onto my eyelids. I'm juiced. I'm using glitter. And it's cute. Oh my gosh. Girl, now I ain't gonna know how to act. Wow, look at me. And you can put on as much or as little as you would like. I think that is enough. Again, we're not going into like that open space that we left on the end. We're just gonna leave that as it is. Wow, this is so pretty. It's so easy. So my friend Jabria actually made a tutorial on her BLISS444 Instagram showing how to use the glitter glue and like all of these products, because girl, I would have just been like, because I don't know how to use it because I've just never done glitter before. But she made it seem less intimidating than it is, and like right now I'm just like, oh my gosh, I'm doing it. It's not as messy as I anticipated. Like I thought it was gonna be like a mess, girl. All right, I can't find the brown eyeliner that I would like to use, so I'm gonna just use my NYX Epic Wear, and I'm gonna use my very fine straight brush from Makeup Forever, and this is the 250. I'm gonna use this to create a very, very tight wing. Yeah. Oh my gosh, girl, this is why I love taking a break from makeup, because everything just be clicking when you get back. My friend actually has an entire collection of lashes on her site, so I definitely recommend that you guys try them out. However, I did not grab any, and I had these ones already on hand. I think I actually got these a part of the Sephora sale as well. So these are the Sephora and House of Lash collection eyelashes, and this one is in the shade, this one is in the style Iris. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pop these on, and this is gonna be off camera because this just takes way too long. Alright guys, so here is the finished look. So I did go ahead and like chop these lashes up because honestly I would have preferred some of the BLISS lashes because they are nice and full and give me that length that I was looking for. I actually had to like piece together some lashes to get this look. So I mean, it did what it had to do, but like I said, I would have preferred some BLISS lashes. However, this is the final look. I did go ahead and apply some eyeshadow to the lower lash line, and then some eyeliner, and then some mascara, and I'm actually gonna go ahead and top this look off with one of my BLISS glosses, and this is in the shade Spice. So I did just use the Danessa Myricks lip trio, the lip and blush trio. And I just need some gloss. I need something, you know, just kind of bring it up a notch. So I'm using Spice because you guys know me. I love a nude. It smells so good. So I do want to let you guys know that this BLISS bundle is actually going to be a part of the makeup bundle. There will be some other products included with it, but I absolutely know that you guys are going to love this eyeshadow palette and all the glitters and the glue and everything that it comes with. So I want to gift one of you lucky viewers with this entire bundle set. So you can go purchase it yourself, but I am also going to pick one lucky winner to win that makeup bundle that will include this entire set. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel because I do post every Tuesday and Friday. It's embarrassing to say that because I know I have not been consistent on my word. But you also need to be following me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, and now limit 8. And I will be linking all of those down below so that way you can easily just click and follow, girls, so you have no excuses. But I thank you guys so much for being with me today, for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next video.